The soldier survived mustard gas in battle, pepper spray by the police. He's now a seasoned veteran. You're welcome.
It's a really cold day today. It's like 2 degrees or something. Freezing. Off to work we go. Gotta wait for that to shut off.
That was 112 and a quarter.
Yeah.
Then it's probably going to be, well, 24 less than that. I'll just put it up. Oh, I forgot the gun.
I'll pass it up. Probably easier you not carrying it anyway.
Huh?
Probably easier you walking over there and not carrying it anyway. Shoot one right in your butt.
Be awful. They'd probably stop working.
Suppose.
Hi, Gray Jay. 2 of them right there, right up
Yeah.
behind me. Look at them.
They're around a lot now.
I love them.
I know.
$89 and a quarter.
89.
No, 98 and a quarter.
Yeah, all right then. Are you sure?
98 and a quarter, yeah.
Okay. Can I have a confirmation on 98 and a quarter?
Yeah.
You want it?
And then 64 and a quarter.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I need 88 and a quarter.
Okay.
Not 98.
Okay.
Cut it off cut it off this end down here.
Okay.
Because I got it marked up this way.
Should have went with the original, eh? 88.
Right?
The original option was 88 and a quarter.
Yeah.
Ow, let me just confirm that.
Right?
I said, let me just confirm that. So here over.
Is it good?
I just gotta take a little hair off.
Du- 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 du.
I don't remember the other one, 64 or something and a quarter.
Yeah,
That makes sense.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't think so.
I'll just wait. Well, if it's 24 less, then 64 and a quarter makes sense
Yeah, probably is.
because it was 88.
Yeah, sounds right.
I'll do that.
It is though.
Yeah. It's literally 24 less.
Just a sec. 112. Right on.
Okay. It's the one right before
Holy shoot, this is brutal.
Yeah. It's pretty bowed. Cold, cold, cold.
64.
Right on.
Yeah. Oh, the pigs are out.
The pigs? Again?
Yeah.
They're out again?
Yeah.
They're probably coming over here.
Right?
They're probably going to come over here then. Damn
Looks
it.
like they're trying to get back in.
Oh, how'd they get out?
I don't know. Looks like they want back in though.
Okay, take this. I'll go. Yesterday we looked at the patio door and they were out.
Right? They're literally trying to get in their home.
Oh, my land. Hey! What are you doing? Hey! Come on! Yesterday we looked at the patio door and these bloody things were out running around the yard. And then today when we went to go check the trail cam, we seen them on it. They were the only thing on the trail cam. Oh, they're so bad. Oh, you're so bad. How'd you get out now? Come on. Hey, leave the chickens alone. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Back in. In you go. Oh, come on. Bacon, let's go. Get in here. Here, Bacon. I need some food. Damn it. How did you guys get out this time? Did you get out the door? You guys are so bad. Come on. Why is nobody coming in? I guess I better go in the house and find food. Darn tootin'. Oh, you guys are so gross. What a mess. Oh, you guys are bad. They're not gonna come. I need treats. Bacon and hot dog are gonna become bacon and hot dog a little sooner than we planned. They keep this up. They're cute though. Oh, they're so bad. Oh, you're bad. Oh, you're so bad. Free range pigs. Boys, they're bad. Well, hopefully they go back in. They're gonna have fun eating though. Oh, you're a bad boy. He's in the garage. There's pigs in our garage. Hey! Don't bite stuff. No. They'll go as soon as I do this, probably.
Right?
Hopefully. Yeah, it's cold. Do you want me to pass you the 64 up now or wait?
Yeah.
Cut it. It's
No, I'll take it.
Here, can I get in here? Holy mackerel.
Yep. And then 112 a week.
Yep. What do you call him? Weak.
Huey's nose to nose with it at the fence.
Is he?
Yeah.
That's cute. Huey's wondering what he is and why is he near the girls. That's the last one. Now once he puts that up, we've got the whole first side started. Then we're going in because it's freezing cold. We waited till later in the day when it like seemed like it was warming up.
We waited till darn near sunset.
Yeah. And then came out and it's still actually really cold. Well, things came up.
Did other stuff.
Yeah. But we did come out first thing and it was right cold.
Hey, pigs.
Who are you calling a pig?
Come on, pig.
Mm-hmm.
Even I have rights, don't I? Pig.
Piggy, piggy, piggy. Who's bad? Who's bad? Oh, who's the bad boys? Oh, my bad boys. Oh, yes, you are. Yes, you are. Get away. Get out of here. Stop it. Go in your cage. Don't start eating things. Holy mackerel. Hey, get out of there. Get up. Get out of the shipping container. Come on. I feared they'd go in there. See if I can get them to follow me into their cage now. Well, I lured them with grain and got them back in their cage, so that's good. Got it all locked up. Hopefully they stay there for the night. I think we're gonna get rained out again. It's really raining / kind of hailing. So he's gonna get this last little section finished. Then we're probably gonna have to head in. That's the rain.
Okay, I got her all strapped. Just got to do the bottom one and then the fascia board on it. And then the fascia board upside here and the rest of the gable ladder underneath it. And then we'll be good to throw on the metal. So today's the first day of deer season. Believe it or not, it's actually hailing now. I was gonna go for a little putt for the last hour. Maybe I still will anyway. Probably nothing be out there with it hailing, but they'll get them moving probably tomorrow morning, hopefully. So anyways, we're good for tonight. At least we got this done, so we're one step closer to getting her covered in. One thing I do got to do is go get some more wood because we don't have enough wood for like the fascia board and the other pieces there, but that's just a few pieces, so we'll go pick those up. Although a few pieces nowadays can add up. But this is what's holding them in. The side-by-side pushed up against the pallets because they came out the door. They came out over here one day, but now we got more posts in there and it's all tied up more. But they pushed the door, so this is holding them in for now. We're gonna just shore that door up though later. Super funny to see them running, and when I went to check the trail cam and then see the pigs showed up because we just thought they got out in the yard, but they actually ran out back to the trail cam.